Alright, what's going on, guys? Hopefully you guys enjoyed that time lapse. First thing I'm going to tell you guys, join the Discord, link in bio. I just created it. And we're going to call ourselves MRKT. It's going to be like a kind of like a tiny ticker symbol, and the name is going to be Market Traders, kind of like market makers, right? But we're the market traders, alright? So MRKT ticker symbol. I'll leave a link to the description for the Discord. But yes, so if you guys read the title of the video, I quit. Somewhat, okay? I'm stuck, is what I should have said. I'm extremely stuck, okay? Because I've been trading stocks for, I would say, full time now, since March. So, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. So about 6 months now is my full time stock trading thing. And obviously, trading isn't easy, okay? Consistent traders, like, to see consistency, successful traders, to see consistency is going to take them, they said, on average 2.5 to 3 years, okay? So it's completely normal. I'm having a hard time. I'm stuck, okay? And the day I'm recording this video and posting it is on the 7th of September, but this video is mainly based on the 6th because I had a loss on the 6th and also another loss on the 7th. Basically, I had two back-to-back losses. Extremely unlucky, just because of with my rights. Like, you have to be 21 to have a margin account in Canada, and I'm currently 19 right now, so I can only have a cash account, so I cannot short the market at all, or I can't short option puts or anything like that, which restricts me a lot because that means I can only make good trades in a bull market rather than a bear market, because I can't really short the market without a margin account, right? You can only short with margins account. Yeah, with cash account you can just go long and sell and trade forex, right? So basically, why I'm stuck is because I've been trading and I've had two losses, tons of losses last month as well. I think I had more green days than red days last month, but my losses were much bigger, so they outweighed they outweighed my profits. So what I'm trying to say is that trading, it's difficult, okay? There's been days where I've lost 10%, 15%, 20% of my account, and I've never felt, those days I actually was kind of happy I lost that much. Not happy, but like I appreciated it because it meant that I was learning, and I meant that I, was on track to success, because I've came across these failures, and the only way to learn from your failures is if you put them to action, review them, see if you see what you did wrong, see what you could have done better, right? And so those were the days where I had to do in-depth review. But recently what I've been thinking is about switching to options trading as well, or adding it to my arsenal, because I love day trading, okay? I'm not a fan of trading stocks, though. I don't like to trade Apple, Nvidia, AMD, all this stuff, just because I feel like if one news event comes out, one inflation report comes out, everything's crashing, and at least in my particular moment right now, I can't really do anything. It's a cash account. I can't really do anything. So I'm leaning over to putting a lot of my time into options trading, just because with options trading, you only need to put at least 10 to 15 minutes a day, right, into like 10-15 minutes of work a day into your trading days, because all you're doing is you're buying puts and calls. Calls are basically, you buy a call when you think the stock is going to go up, and you'll profit on the difference of your call ask and bid price. And a put is, you buy a put, which is a bet that the stock is going to go down. So say Nvidia, it had terrible reports about not being able to sell their graphics cards chips to China. So whoever bought, let's say, the price before Nvidia, let's look at this, before it dropped crazy. I'm gonna actually go on the daily. So, oh wow, my chart is all messed up. So 145. So let's say September 1st, the stock was at 143. Say you bought a put at the stock at let's say it was a put of with a strike price of 142. Okay, so right now the put is out of the money, which means that it's worthless because you're buying a put at 142, but the stock is actually higher than your put, meaning that you're actually in the red. But with an option contract, there is a certain amount of period with an expiry date, meaning that you can have this put for a certain amount, 6 days for example. The bigger the amount, the more expensive the option. So say you buy a 6-day put on Nvidia at 142 strike price, and maybe you hold it for the first day. First day it goes down all the way to 135. So you're already in the money. This means you've made profit, meaning if you sold it, you've made your money and you've done no work. All you did was buy a strike put because based on news, right? But say if I traded this, say I go and we go back to, let's say, go 15 minutes. Say I wanted to trade this, okay? And on, what was it, the third. Say I wanted to trade this. 142, 143 drops through here. I can't go long, can't go long, can't go long. Oh, little long 15-minute candle opportunity here. It comes down, goes to 137, catch a bit, buy, sell at 138, make your 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which isn't even that profitable anymore. A 3-to-1 is always what you want to look for, but you make your 1 to 5, sell, goes down, goes down, goes down. Around 9 o'clock, it catches another bid, 132. But because the stock isn't like structured, 132 goes up to 134, sure, made $2, but then drops all the way back down. I know I definitely wouldn't have sold at 134 because I wanted to let my profits run. Maybe I'd take partials, but at this scenario, it's just I can't predict the future, so I would have never known if it was going to go to 134. You know, like I'm not going to know that. And then when I see a huge red candle after it, well, because based on history, on how it just dropped $10, I'm gonna think, oh, at 134 it's just gonna drop even more, which it didn't do, but I'm not gonna know because I can't tell the future. You know, it's just really stressful. Like say you enter a trade, on a long trade, all of a sudden it goes against you, or if you enter a long trade and then it hits your stop and then goes above and it goes towards your area, but you went long, so it doesn't matter anymore, right? It's kind of what I've been facing the past 2 months, I would say, especially, is lots of losses, lots of learning experiences and everything. And yes, I do like trading stocks, not too much stocks. I'm more so leaning towards equities like TQQ, SQQ, the SPY, the Dow, the QQQs, but you also have to be 21 in Canada to trade those as well. And you have to have at least $100,000 net worth, which currently I don't have. I'm actually, that's the goal of this channel, is to reach 100K. But yeah, so I'm trying to add more things to my arsenal so that I don't feel stuck anymore. And with options trading, I believe I can be much more profitable. And with options trading, actually the average win rate is 80%, which is really high. Like the average stock trading win rate is like 60%, 65. If you're really good, 70 to 75. But you hop into options, learn it, get to know it, 80% and higher. There's even 100% win rate strategies. All right, and you'll learn as you go, but it's I would say it's much more powerful, much more powerful. So I'm not giving up on stock trading. I'm gonna do it. I have to do it. All right, but I am also learning options trading. The strategy I'm gonna do to approach options trading, though, is to learn through paper trading, which is the best. In anything you want to know, experience is the best way to learn. If you want to know how to play soccer, experience. You can't go read a book on soccer. You actually have to play it. You want to go snowboard. You actually have to go up on a mountain and snowboard your way down. Maybe you'll fall 5, 10, 15 times, but you're going to learn. The next time you go up, you'll fall down 10 times. The next time you go up, you'll fall down 5 times, all right? Best way to do anything and learn anything is by experience. So, paper trading, definitely number one. When I'm not paper trading, I'm learning. I'm constantly learning about options, reading books, courses, YouTube videos, reviewing my trades, everything like that. Kind of what I'm doing with stock trading right now. Is on my off time, I'm reviewing, learning, courses, reading, all that stuff. So there was also a little bit of a time period where I wanted to switch to forex trading, but forex markets are a little bit more complicated, and I just kind of didn't want to, open up to, because forex is based on world economy, and if right now I can't even handle like the North American economy, I don't know how I'm going to handle the world's economy. Obviously, I'm not saying it's not doable. I'm still looking into it, still trying to understand it, because I was trying to paper trade forex, and for me to make $1,000 return, like say if you want to make $1,000 return on a stock, the safe way to do it is you have a $100,000 account and you go for a 1% daily goal, meaning your goal is to make $1,000. With forex, for some reason, I guess because it's pennies and they move in small increments, I still don't understand. I'm still doing research. I know it goes based off pips, which I'm still trying to learn. But like I was paper trading and I placed a $1 million trade on Euro USD, and at $1 million was when I made $600 profit, which didn't make sense at all. Like with a small account of $5,000, you can make 6% $600 if you invest in the right stock. So I didn't understand it at all, but I'm still learning. I got a couple books on forex, but I'm mainly leaning over to options, because options I can buy puts on stocks that I believe is going to go down, on the market that I believe is going to go down, and I can buy calls for the market that I think is going to go up. So that's kind of the goal. Options trading. There's so many successful options trader. There's even options scalping as well. You can even do that. There's lots of guys on TikTok who scalp options, and they can make, if they have appropriate risk size account, they make like 150 grand in a day. But there was this one dude who I listened to a podcast about. You might have seen him on Instagram. His name is CEO 10X. But he, during the coronavirus pandemic in 2020, he bought puts on the markets on dozens of stocks, so many stocks, puts on everything, because obviously everything's going to go down, with big size, and ended up making around $100 million net profit off of all the puts he bought and shorted. He basically shorted the market through options. But if you decided to short the market through day trading, you'd actually have to log on every day, trade for an hour, short. There's going to be bidders, so they'll probably run up the price a little bit, but then short it back again. You would make money, maybe like 100 grand in 1 year, but comparing that to $100 million, like it's way more powerful, because you can buy a contract of options for 100 shares of a stock, and you only pay 100 times of the bid and the ask price. So say you want to go buy 100 shares of Apple. We go to Apple over here. Where is Apple? Say you want to buy 100 shares of Apple. So we go buy, market, 100. It's going to cost you 16 grand. But say you want to buy a contract of 100 shares of Apple. Say the bid and the ask is $2.50 and $2.60. What you do is you buy the 155 strike price, which is what Apple 156 is at. So let's say we buy the 156 strike price of the contract, meaning the price of the contract you're buying the shares at. So you're buying 100 shares at $156, and you times 100 of the bid and ask price. So say the ask price is $250 and you're buying the ask, you times that by 100, so you're buying 100 shares of Apple for $250 USD in a contract. And your profit potential is so much more. So like iPhone event is coming out. Say you bought a couple days ago, say you bought the 153 call, and your bid is like $2. So for you to break even, you first need to make $2. So Apple needs to make $2 on its stock. So for you to break even, the stock has to go up to $155 per share. But obviously rallies to $156.60, and it's probably going to continue going. I would probably say in the next couple of days we could see it at $160. And it just rallies, and anything after 155, you're in the money, you're making profit. So believe options trading is going to be fun. I'm gonna learn it. I'm gonna be posting videos about it on YouTube and everything like that. I'm gonna continue trading stocks. It's just a little bit stressful. I'm also gonna continue posting trading stock videos. Join the Discord. I'm gonna leave the link in the bio, in the description bio. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok. I'm posting some YouTube shorts lately. I've been posting my old workout videos for YouTube shorts, just because I don't have any stock trading shorts right now. So I'm still working on the stock trading shorts, but in the meantime, I didn't want to not post anything, so I'm just reposting my workout shorts. But I am saying that I trade stocks and lift weights, just so I can get some attention from stock traders. I've already got one, so I wonder how many more I can get. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys what books I read and everything like that to achieve all this. And yeah, thank you guys, and I will see you guys next time.